To create or produce, make a cake, make a dress, make a plan, make a movie. She made a cake for the party. He is learning to make a dress for his fashion class. To cause to happen. Make a difference, make a mistake, make noise, make progress. This change will make a difference in the community. He made a mistake during the exam, but corrected it quickly. To earn or gain. Make money, make a profit, make a fortune, make a living. She wants to make a living as a freelance writer. The company made a profit last quarter. To perform or execute. Make a decision, make an effort, make a move, make a call. You need to make a decision by the end of the day. He made an effort to learn a new language. To compel or force. Make someone do something, make him cry, make her smile, make them leave. She made him apologize for his mistake. The joke made everyone laugh. To prepare or arrange. Make the bed, make a reservation, make tea, make lunch. Please make the bed before you leave the house. She made a reservation at the new restaurant downtown. To build or construct. Make a house, make a model, make furniture, make a bridge. They made a house out of recycled materials. He loves to make furniture as a hobby. To constitute or be part of, make a team, make a list, make a part of something, make an impression. These players make a great team together. He made a strong impression during the interview. To achieve or complete, make it to the top, make it on time, make the deadline, make the cut. Chat. She made it to the top of the mountain after hours of climbing. The project team made the deadline successfully. Common collocations with make an effort, make a mess, make sense, make a point, make time. She always makes an effort to stay organized. Try to make sense of the instructions before starting. He made a point about sustainability in the meeting. I'll make time for lunch tomorrow.